Now we look at question number 1. Given the function of fx and gx, find the following function in the simplest form. So let's say question A, find the g inverse. So this is our g inverse. So in order to find the g inverse, first we let y equals to the fraction, which is 3x minus 1 over x plus 2. So we will start with y and we will end with x. So next step, suppose that I multiply the denominator to the left hand side. So it will become y x plus 2 is equals to 3x minus 1. Then we try to expand. So y times x, y times 2. So when I try to expand, I will have xy plus 2y is equals to 3x minus 1. So we try to isolate x and y. You can see that here we have xy, here we have x. We need the variables of x. So next step what I have to do is I move negative 1 to the left hand side, xy to the right hand side. So kat sini kita nak kumpulkan x tu sekali. Kita akan mula dengan y, berakhir dengan x. So kita perlukan x ni. So kita kumpulkan x sekali. So next is 2y plus 1 is equals to 3x minus xy. So you boleh lihat kat sini, kita kumpulkan x sekali. Sebutan kat sini tanpa x. So next I will factorize the x. So factorize x, what I have here is 3 minus y. So finally, I divide this bracket to the left hand side. I will have 2y plus 1 over 3 minus y is equals to x. Therefore, my g inverse is equals to, we just change y back to x. So I will have 2x plus 1 over 3 minus x. So this is the answer for question 1a. Now we look at question b. Before this, we need to find the domain. So the domain for this function. So for domain, we just look at the denominator. For fraction, the denominator cannot be equals to 0. Means that 3 minus x cannot be equals to 0, or 3 cannot be equals to x. Therefore, the domain of G inverse is equals to from negative infinity until 3 or 3 until infinity. So this is the domain for the G inverse. Next, we will try to find the composite function. Let's say question B, composite function. So from here, I can change to f in the bracket gx. Means that we try to find substitute gx into the function of f. So what is our gx? Our function of gx is the fraction, which is 3x minus 1 over, this is 3. So 3x minus 1 over x plus 2. Substitute into the function of f. So this is the function of f. Where we're going to substitute is, we substitute in x. So kita akan gantikan pecahan ni ke dalam fungsi fx. Di mana kita akan ganti kat tempat x ni. So next step, it will become 3 in the bracket 3x minus 1 over x plus 2 plus 5. So from here, I should have 9x minus 3 over x plus 2 plus, so 5, I can change to 5 over 1. Kita samakan dia punya denominator. So I have to multiply by x plus 2 multiply by x plus 2. So from here, I will have 9x minus 3 over x plus 2 plus 5 in the bracket. So from here I can directly expand. So here I should have 5x plus 10 over x plus 2. So sekarang denominator kita dah sama, kita boleh gabungkan. So the denominator will be x plus 2, whereas for the numerator, 9x minus 3 plus 5x plus 10. So from here, 9x plus 5x is 14x. Negative 3 plus 10 is positive 7 over x plus 2. So again, we have to find the domain. So domain, we refer to the denominator, where x plus 2 cannot be equals to 0, x cannot be equals to negative 2. So the domain for the composite function, f o g, this is the composite function. So the domain will be negative infinity until negative 2, or from negative 2 to positive infinity. So this is the answer for question number 1, A and